Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Friday, May 26th. And today is the summary report for day number 23 of trading my 20 funded Apex accounts. If you're new, I created this channel about 6 weeks ago to journal my trading journey. And my goal was back then to get 20 Apex accounts funded. We've achieved that goal, and now we're on day number 23 of trading those funded accounts. And it is very important to me that I am fully transparent with you guys. So you'll see all my trades live every day. You'll see all my entries and exits. And then at the end of every day, I'll do a weekly or a daily summary report where I'll show my profit and loss. You'll see that in a minute. And then I'll also do a weekly report as well, where I go a little bit more in depth on how the week went. But if that's something you enjoy, want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, like the video. I would really appreciate it. And also just wanted to take a minute to say thank you to everyone that has shown support through using my code, you're subscribing. It's been amazing. I've been blown away by the growth. It's been kind of crazy, and I really appreciate it, and it really gives me motivation to keep doing it. And as of now, I have no intention of stopping. I'm just gonna keep doing it and fully transparent. Like I always say, you will see the good, bad, and ugly. So let's get started for the day. Also, just want to remind everyone, May 31st is when the Apex sale ends. So just wanted to make sure everyone is aware the 80% discount sale does end on May 31st, which is this coming Wednesday. But for today, a summary for today, overall, like looking back, it was an okay day. This morning, I was really frustrated with myself. I'll just show, obviously today we had a really nice move up. The NASDAQ is kind of what I wanted to talk about. I haven't traded the NASDAQ in many, many months, and I've been wanting to get back into it. And a couple, morning sessions before I go live, I kind of practice trading it just to get a feel for the price action, get a feel for the movement, to kind of get a feel for what size my stop loss should be, kind of get familiar. And this morning I was like, nah, I'm not quite ready yet. I'm not going to trade the NASDAQ yet. And it's an okay decision. And you know what? I needed to stick to my rules, but we had such a beautiful setup this morning on NQ and such a beautiful run up. So I was dealing a little bit with FOMO this morning, and into lunchtime, I was just frustrated, and it made me hesitant to pull the trigger on a couple trades and a couple entries before lunch. But we stayed patient, and this afternoon we did get a setup finally. After we pulled back here and we barely made new highs here, I was looking to go short, look for a short entry if we break this channel right here, which we did do. I did enter right here. I had my stop right here, which at one point, we were one tick away from stopping me out. I was fully expecting to be stopped out. I had already accepted it, but we did end up reversing, and I hit my profit target, and we pulled back again, and I entered again when we hit the top of this channel, and we sold off. On the move, I was looking for it to move down to the 41.97, which didn't happen, but we did secure a profit on that. So I was happy. Obviously now we have moved up to new highs, and have kind of felt like I misread the market today. So I'm happy with that. We're walking away green, and we're green for the week. It'll actually be, I'm actually looking forward to doing the weekly review tomorrow, where I actually can review a week where I'm green. So overall, we had a good week. I had a good week, and just kind of the bounce back that I needed and that I've been looking for. So hopefully we can keep this momentum going into next week. Now let's look at the profit and loss. Let me just make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. All right. So make sure, I think this date is right. Yes. All right. So as you can see, we started off on this journey on a slump. It was ugly. If you're new here, yeah, this spiked down. We had some problems. We had some revenge trading going on right here. But we're not going to talk about that. But yes, this journey definitely wasn't how we wanted to start, but we've slowly and surely been, getting out of that hole, digging out of that hole. And I want to continue doing that and just remind myself it's a marathon, and I'm in no rush to get this to the profit threshold. I am totally okay if this takes 70 days, 70 trading days. If this takes 3 months, it's okay. We're going to take it slow, slow and steady, and follow our plan. But yeah, today we ended the day with $658 in profit. And yeah, like I said, I was happy with it. We took 2 trades. For the week, I'll do more of a, obviously tomorrow I'll release a video on the weekly review. But yeah, we've had, don't look now, but we've strung together 5 winning sessions in a row. And that really is what we need to do. And obviously we're going to have losses. We're going to have losing days, but just need to start being consistent and be consistent in my losing as well, and not have these kind of days where we have these huge losses that wipe out, consistent profits and wipe it out in 1 week. I know we've all experienced that, and that is definitely something that I'm aware of and I need to prevent. So anyway, I'm going to cut the video off for now. And yeah, like I said, I'll be doing my weekly summary report tomorrow, where I use TradeSella to kind of dig through and go a little bit more in depth on my trading. But thank you again for everyone that is subscribed and that is watching, supporting the channel. Again, just huge thank you to everyone. And also just have a great rest of your day. Have a great night and weekend, Memorial Day weekend. I hope everyone stays safe and has a great time. So take care. We'll catch you probably Tuesday.